rolling camera in 5, 4, 2. Oh, I already rolled. Oh, come on. See, Brady got mad at me because the last video we did, I hit him real hard, and he's a little pussy. So he doesn't want
one. Okay.
See, he's a pussy.
I caught it.
Dude, damn, I hit you. See, he's a little pussy. So.
Who's the pussy now?
Sit back tight. Watch this little fight. That rhymes. Sit back tight.
I'm gonna go play some Hearthstone, stupid.
You're gonna go play eating. No. Ow. No. Mercy, please.
Stay right there. Stay. Get in the corner. I just want to do one thing. Tag your it. Tag your it. Tag your it.
Jackie, it.
You're it. Number one.
No time back. Ha ha.
I am number one.
You're number 1.5. I'm number 1.
I'm number 0. Suck it. You're it. This is hurting. You're it. Now tap back.
The sensitive spots on your body is your nose. I thought your tongue was.
No, it wasn't.
What? I thought your nuts were.
I said 1, stupid.
Oh, right.
And anyway, you know there's girls, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, no, okay. You're freaking squeezing me.
Man, you hit the camera.
Who cares? You're the one freaking squeezing my neck. Dude, stop it. Your skin's against my skin. It hurts so bad. Not this again. No. Not this again. No.
Porridge. See, he got pumped. He's running like a little girl. Oh, no, he's coming back.
Okay. Ow. I'm Scream. Okay, I give up. I was Scream. Who are you? Oh yeah, I forgot. You were that one person. Oh well. I like plants. I like plants a whole bunch.
This is the end. Just there.
No.
This is the end / conclusion of his encore battle. Maybe not.
Why'd you land on my ball? It's my ball. Ow, my knee. Ooh, that kind of sounded bad. Are you okay? I think that's the end, guys. I think that's the end.
No, it's not. Did you already push a button?
No.
Oh, good.
I didn't push no button. Oh, crap. No. Oh, crap. Dude, I'm serious. Dude, stop.
Right? Right? Easy bow tie. See? See? He's running like a little
It hurts. Not a human
See? He's running like a little girl. So that's the conclusion.
That's it. I'm getting that splash water. Move.